Davido is disturbing Lagos as Davido touched down in grand style. Okay, guys, Davido the OBO himself is back in Nigeria, and he was outside last night in Lagos as he was seen with super expensive and luxurious cars. The 30 billion gang stepped out in grand style as Davido went clubbing. It was a super massive one. Davido was seen gifting drummers thousands of dollars in club last night. It was super crazy. You have to see the exotic and expensive cars Davido was seen trooping the streets with. OBO is back in Lagos. We have really missed Davido. Davido has been out traveling from one country to another, but he's back in Nigeria in Lagos, and he's going to be a wicked weekend because Davido is back. Davido will also be in Cubana Chief Priest restaurant tomorrow, on Sunday, where he's sledged to perform and also feel the new establishment by his friend. Davido was seen having a good time last night in club as he stepped out in grand style. Okay, guys, I'll be sharing with you full highlight of how the whole thing went down. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Fall for me, say you want my company, or you want my money, yeah.
Good evening!